Performance baggers are all about maximizing the performance and styling of a touring bike so that you can chase the horizon in style. Harley-Davidson offers everything you need to let your bike do the talking, including a wide range of engine upgrade options, lightweight foot controls, and styling upgrades. This Road King Special and Street Glide Special are perfect examples, as they feature the Screamin' Eagle Stage 4 kits, more horsepower and more torque. High-flow exhaust systems with a deep bass rumble and multiple finishes to match any look. You get the high-contrast gloss black next to the white, or the all-satin black. You got that satin black exhaust finish. The Badlander's seat is going to keep you planted on your bike with that frame-hugging profile. The chopped engine guards to give it that stripped-down performance look, and then some technology. The Daymaker adaptive LED headlamp, which actually shines the light in the direction of your turn. Now the Street Glide Special here has the Fugitive wheels, has the board-to-peg conversion kit with endgame foot controls, as well as the grips. Color-match accessories, including the stretch side covers and that chin spoiler. The Road King Special has the Fuse low handlebar, bronze HD Prodigy wheels, board-to-peg conversion kit, and the very aggressive 80 grit foot controls. Your local Harley-Davidson dealer can help you select the right parts for your ride.